Hello there. I just want to say something. I'm not very happy today. I'm not happy today at all. Right? Gary is fine. Salvatore is fine, and so is Peter. There you go, Peter. You know what? We've hit a stalemate. Everything seemed to be growing sideways now. Alright? And that's what somebody said to me today. They said, the people, it look like you grow sideways. You don't grow higher anymore. You grow to the side. Somebody called me fat. Me. I used to be a boxer. You don't understand? I used to box everybody. And now, they sanno fat. Che io sogno scuffato. My wife, she took me off, she put me on the diet. She said, no more. Pasta, pizza, cotolette, all done. And don't worry, I don't get the lack of brain surgery. That's the easy way out. Oh no, I'll exercise. I will do my 10,000 run walk. And I will do it with tenacity. You know, Terrence, I'll do it as mine. You go watch, you watch. Anyways, stay refreshed. I'll see you tomorrow.